So you want to make money online with affiliate marketing, but you don't want to have a website or a blog to do it. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you a way how you can do affiliate marketing without a website or a blog. And also I'm going to reveal 3 different traffic sources you can use right now to get leads into your business right now. And make sure you keep watching to the very end of this video because I'm going to give you a free gift on your online journey that's going to help you as a new affiliate online. So make sure you keep watching and let's get started into today's video right now. So the way you're going to make money with affiliate marketing without a blog or website is something called a sales funnel. Now you might be wondering, what is a sales funnel? A sales funnel is the sales process that your prospects go through to become a customer of yours online. So here's an example of what I mean by a sales funnel. So there's like 6 different stages of a sales funnel. Level 1 is like your prospects or where they're at the top of the funnel. Number 2, you have the discovery where they qualify for leads, and stage number 4 is the intended. This way you negotiate and finalize. And number 5 is where the customer makes the purchase through your link, where you close the deal. And this number 6 is the loyalty, where you deliver more products for them to buy through your link online. So I'm gonna show you actually several different examples of different niches of what sales funnel would look like. So here's an example of a sales funnel in the woodworking industry. The world's largest collection of wood plants, and enter your name and email for a free PDF for 16,000 plants inside. So you enter your first name, your email address, and this is basically where the part that you're aware that you might have an interest in this woodworking plant. And you enter your first name, here, and you enter your email right here, and then you go right here to take the plants, and then it's gonna send you to the next page. Same thing for maybe like the weight loss industry. Like a free video reveals how women and men over 30 are losing 54 pounds fat with a secret Japan formula, right? And this might pique your curiosity, and then you want to maybe learn out more about this. So you enter your name and email right here, and then you put in your email again and your first name, and learn how to like lose weight and stuff like that. Maybe if you're interested in making money online, this is my personal sales funnel that I have right now. Maybe finally the secret to generate your first paycheck online, to quit your 9-to-5 without a product of your own, experience, or much time. And you'll enter your first name here and your email right here, and get instant access to learn about this training. So this is quite examples you can learn and take for example and do for yourself. A sales funnel tool I recommend you use is a tool called Builderall. Now Builderall has all the tools that you need for your online business, such as like a sales funnel, email marketer, autoresponder, so much more. So if you want to get access to Builderall to learn how to build sales funnel just like this one, my personal sales funnel, all you gotta do is click the link in my description of my resources and tools section. So now that you know what a sales funnel is and how it works, I'm going to show you 3 different traffic sources you can get leads into your business right now. So the first traffic source I want to show you is called Quora.com. Now Quora is a Q&A platform where you have people that's potentially your prospect that have questions, and you're to come in and answer them questions, and then you're going to provide your free lead magnet, which is something like a free PDF profile or maybe free ebook or free anything. You're going to send for their email address so you can collect them from your sales funnel. So to do this, what you want to do is type in your niche. So let's say your niche is like weight loss. We're going to type in weight loss, and then we're going to click enter. Now once you click weight loss, you can filter on the side of the screen by type, by author, by time, and so on and so forth. Now for example, here are the questions that some of your prospects are having for like weight loss entry. What is the most effective weight loss method or program? What are some tips for losing weight? What are the best weight loss drugs, medication, or supplements? So you're going to come in here and answer these questions based off your niche, and then you're going to provide some value to them, and then maybe at the end of your post you're going to link them to your sales funnel to get some leads in your business. So the second type of traffic source you can use is called Facebook groups. Now what you want to do is you want to go to Facebook and you want to type in Facebook groups, and you see Facebook groups tab like this, and you're going to type in your niche, and you're going to find some groups to enter so you can potentially get some traffic to your business. So for example, if I do the make money online niche, like this, you can join public or private groups such as like over 100,000 members, or whatever how many members that group you choose from. And what you can do in here is provide some value in here, and then you can link it to your sales funnel and get some traffic. So maybe something like this, even though this is a field link, just to say this is your link to your sales funnel, maybe type in how to make $200 a day from home using this platform, and you'll tell them about the platform. And then if you want more information about how to make big money online, something like that, you can click the link right here to go to my sales funnel and get more free training or free ebook or something like that. So, and then also here you can put like hashtags to get even more views, so people can see your posts on Facebook groups, so you can get more leads into your business online. Now, another way you can get more leads into your business is you can create your own Facebook group. And to do this, what you want to do is you want to go right here to create a new group. And then from here, what you can do is type in your name of the group you want to name. So you want to do like Make Money Online. We can do Make Money Online 2022. And then you can do the privacy, like public or private. And then you can also invite your friend. This is optional if you want to. And then from here, you can see a brief overview on your desktop or your laptop of like your post, your stuff you're gonna have, like about page, posts, members, events. And then once you publish it, you can go right here to message, and you can get your stuff going on your new Facebook group and invite people and stuff like that. Now, the last traffic source I personally want to show you is a traffic source I personally use a lot, which is YouTube. Now on YouTube, this is my favorite platform because you can search by keywords that your target audience is already looking up. So for example, if we do weight loss industry, you can see type in weight loss and you can see different keywords you can pump out content for and start ranking for. So like for weight loss, we can do like weight loss exercises at home, weight loss drinks, weight loss transformation, weight loss diet, maybe weight loss motivation, or we can type in maybe how to lose weight. And as you see right here, here's some more keywords we can look for. How to lose weight in 7 days, how to lose weight fast at home for women. So once you're ready to start promoting out content for your particular keyword that you're trying to rank for on YouTube, I'm going to give you 2 free tools that you can use. The first tool I want to show you is called vidIQ. This tool is going to help you rank for your YouTube videos, and you see right here, it'll show you how many like volume, which means how much traffic it's getting. So you see right here it's 77, so this is getting a very great amount of views that you can rank for, but it has competition that's very high. So maybe you type in another keyword that's going to be maybe lower rank. So maybe let's type in like how to lose weight without exercising and diet, right? So as you see right here on my screen, the volume is 42 and the competition is a little bit lower, but it's still very high. So you just want to mess around with the keywords and type in stuff that on YouTube that's a little bit getting like lower competition, and you can mess around with and get something that's competition between like the orange right here, yellow and green, but you might get lower volume, which is like somewhere between the orange and the lighter orange. So you just want to mess around those areas right there so you can get more traffic. Now another tool I want to show you is a tool called TubeBuddy, which is a similar tool just like vidIQ. So I'm not going to really go into this tool very much, but it shows you the same, like the search volume, the competition, the overall keyword, and you can also sort by relative searches and the comment video tags. And you can also select tags and copy to a clipboard and start ranking for a YouTube video. Now, since you stay to the very end of this video, I'm going to give you my personal free ebook to help you make money online with affiliate marketing, because I know how it is to struggle as a new affiliate, don't know where to go, overwhelmed with new information, and consuming everything you see online from YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and any other social media platform you probably use. So this is why I'm giving my free ebook that you get all the information and all in one place by somebody that has done affiliate marketing and made money. So this is why I'm giving my free ebook, and all you gotta do is click the second link in my description. It will be there for you to grab your ebook online. And if you want more content just like this, make sure you check out these 2 videos on screen, because once you check out these 2 videos on screen, I'm also going to show you more ways how you can start making money online from the comfort of your own home. And it's your boy Darius, and I'm checking out. And always remember, be the boss, don't get boss.